Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Choice Review. Today, we're diving deep into the world of blending with our comprehensive review of the 5 best blenders of the year. Number 1. First up, we have the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. With its 700 watts of peak blending power and patented wave action system, this blender promises ultra-smooth results every time. Number 2. Next, we have the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. With its 1100-watt motor and XL capacity pitcher, it's perfect for whipping up creamy smoothies and sauces. Number 3. Moving on, we have the Ninja BL610 Professional 72 ounces Countertop Blender. This blender packs a punch with its 1000 watts of professional power and total crushing technology. Number 4. Now, let's take a look at the Magic Bullet Blender. Despite its small size, this blender is mighty, with its 250 watts motor and versatile design. Number 5. Last but not least, we have the Ninja BL770 Mega Kitchen System. With its 1500 watts motor and multiple functions, this blender is a powerhouse in the kitchen. So there you have it, our roundup of the 5 best blenders of the year. Whether you're blending smoothies, crushing ice, or making sauces, there's a blender here to suit your needs. For more information, visit my description box below. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Happy day. Thanks for watching.